Chris with 210 Performance. We've got a 2016 GT350 in for our customer Noah. We're doing Kooks exhaust on the car. We removed the factory headers and replacing the headers with the Kooks long tubes with the high flow catalytic converters. Keep everything legal. We're doing a custom dyno tune on the car with 93 octane and E85. And if anybody is in San Antonio or surrounding areas and you'd like similar mods done to your car, let us know. We'll take care of it.
Way louder. It sounds awesome. That's wild. That's gonna be fun. So I dropped the car off here at 210 Performance for some Kooks headers and the X-pipe, a nice dyno tune. And man, I gotta say, I'm super impressed with the car. It sounds so much better than factory. And I'm excited to take this thing down the road on my road trip home and see what it's really capable of. Thanks, 210.